Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu, the rising Bok who refuses to believe he's arrived. Fresh off collecting one of South Africa's rugby's most prestigious accolades, Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu is doing everything but basking in the glow. Crowned the My Player Springbok Players Player of the Year after a breakout season in the green and gold, the young fly-half speaks with restraint of someone far from satisfied, a playmaker who sees himself as a work in progress, not a finished product. At the heart of his evolution, Sasha says, is the privilege of learning daily from two World Cup winning architects of the number 10 jersey, Manny Libbok and Handré Pollard. Different temperaments, different skill sets, same impact. Between Libbok's creative flair and Pollard's calculating composure, he finds what he calls priceless reference points, living templates for mastering test rugby at its harshest edges. He said, they've helped me so much, not just technically, but with the way you need to carry yourself under pressure as a Springbok fly half. Yet if there's a single performance that anchors his self-reflection, it's Rugby Championship clash against Argentina in Durban. The night he racked up 37 points, the most ever by a Springbok fly half. For most players, it's a kind of once-in-a-lifetime match that becomes a permanent highlight reel. For Feinberg Mngomezulu, it's a steady guide. He said, I learn on that Durban performance quite a lot, for the good and the bad. He remembers the record, yes, but also the kicks that struck the upright, the moments where precision escaped him, the reminders that greatness and vulnerability can exist in the same 80 minutes. Quoting a line from Relentless says, hard work puts you where good luck can find you. Two kicks could have rewritten the narrative entirely, a lesson he hasn't forgotten. Despite excitement about his talent, Sasha quickly swats away comparisons with All Blacks legend Dan Carter and said it's a great compliment. But it doesn't make sense. Carter, after all, owns multiple World Rugby Player of the Year awards and the 2 World Cup titles. Feinberg Mngomezulu has played 19 tests and has yet to appear at a World Cup, and said you have to respect someone's legacy. I haven't been pressured to perform on a stage that he has. With the 2027 Rugby World Cup draw now locked in, the fly half says the Springboks have deliberately shifted their focus to the immediate future, the demanding 2026 season that begins the nation's championship. South Africa will host England, Scotland and Wales before the old rivalry with New Zealand reignites with 3 tests on home soil and a 4th at a neutral venue. He said in terms of potential success in 2027, next year is a massive part of it. We can't start thinking about the World Cup now. Staying present worked for us this season. That has to be the blueprint going forward. As the Springboks enter a new cycle, experimenting with combinations and expanding squad depth, Feinberg Mngomezulu has emerged as one of the brightest talents of the next generation. But labels don't interest him, awards don't distract him, and comparisons don't define him. What drives him is growth, the daily grind, the lessons from the giants of the game, and the humility to see every triumph as an opportunity to improve. For a young man tipped as a future great, perhaps his greatest weapon is that he refuses to believe he's won already. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.